Today I'm going to be making some Vidalia onions from my friend at VidaliaOnions.com, and I'm also going to be using some honey in the glaze from beehouse.com. You should check them both out. They're wonderful farm and hive sourced natural foods. Can't get any better than that. It's direct to you. Starting out with a low heat and saute pan. And we're going to add half a stick of butter. And we're going to have that melt down. Chopped up finely, diced actually, the Vidalia onion, one onion. We're going to add that in. Get this butter melted and start to add in the onion. Make too much of a mess. After it does that, see what we have. Let's put it in the pan. What we're going to do is we're just going to keep that stirring and brown it up. As it starts to brown, after a couple minutes, then we will start to add seasonings to it. And we'll take a minute when it's all seasoned up, add the final ingredients to make the glaze.